We got Automotion this weekend. I figured I'd try and vlog it, do something for it. I brought my camera along with me to try and get actual good cinematography, because that's actually what I'm good at, not this vlogging stuff. But I've got it all cleaned up. What I want to do one more time is I got a weird clicking noise in the back, and I want to try and figure it out before I go. Otherwise, I'm gonna full send it all the way there, see what happens, bring some tools, see how it goes. But if you don't know, Automotion is a Wisconsin thing. That's essentially just like, it's kind of like Gatlinburg, but for Wisconsin. And it used to be a classic car show, and now it's just a bring whatever. People bring motorcycles, trucks, people bring cars, stance cars, their drag cars. People bring everything. All right, we're about to be on our way. Got my chicken, got my tools, all my shit. 2 hours, let's see what happens. Oh yeah, about an hour away. So far so good, it's been going smooth. Upper control arm rides on the frame, but fuck it, whatever. I'll figure that out later. About an hour left, yeah. Looks like it's raining up there. Here, I had no problems somehow. I don't know how I didn't have any problems at all. The only time I stopped was to just piss on the side of the road. But I'm only about like 4 minutes from my place, and I'm gonna meet up with my buddy Brant, who's got a C5 Corvette that's cammed, makes like 400 horsepower or something. I'll show y'all, but pretty exciting. It's cool. The only thing sometimes not cool about Automotion, but I guess that's what makes being into cars, is there's a lot of clap boxes, a lot of fucked up stuff around here. But kind of like Tennessee, people sit on the side and just watch cars go by all day. Usually people give me shit, but look at them guys. Them guys were sitting on a couch in the bed of their truck. There's a lot of trucks here too. But this is my spot. I don't know who this is, but that shit's clean. It's pretty clean. That's all right. But beautiful day. It's like 75. Beautiful spot. I cannot believe I made it here with no issues. I mean, I've triple checked every single bolt, but Supra rolling in. I can't believe a bird shit on my car on the way in here. Oh, this car looks so good. So low, so good. Let's check it out. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Oh. Just a nice little spot. Away from everything. Oh, I think it's raining. There's some cool stuff. A lot of clapped out stuff. But that's the way it is. That's Automotion. It's Wisconsin. Can't be too nice of shit here. It's all Wisconsin, rusted out stuff. So, oh, this 300Z is pretty sweet. Love a 300Z. This part of the strip, right here by Grateful Shed, this is usually where it's like the busiest. But I feel like I'm forgetting to mention too that there's a lot of normal cars out here right now, just like regular people, regular traffic, but that's because it's 5 o'clock. Once it's nighttime and people start coming out, they go for a cruise. I mean, similar like in Tennessee, but yeah, like 9 o'clock, people start coming out on the strip. It's usually busy until about midnight or so, and then it dies down. He driving the whip. He driving the whip. You'd have to actually get it out on the road to see all the gear whine and the clunking and stuff from the solid mounts. What's going on, guys? I can't believe this thing is on the floor. That is nuts. Still hate those. The front end's gotten better, but the rear end I still can't do it. I can't do it. Got myself some brisket. That is fucking sick. Those are dope as fuck. Time to head on home. Jeez. Camaro sounds sick. Heading back to the cabin. Gonna meet up with some of my other buddies who are getting here super late. Corey. And they brought up their mopeds and all the goofy shit. So gonna head back and meet up with them. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, give her. Oh my God, I can't believe it's not fucking going. Jesus.
Dangerous. Yes, you are one. I can tell you've been drinking 0. This is not as dangerous. That's worse.
Oh, dude, that's just straight apple juice. That's straight. You can just park right there. Dude.
Hello.
Hell yeah. All sides, I got good fitment.
I don't know, you need a little bit more front camber.
I know, it's like 3.8 in the front. I want 6. I wanted 6. Just for the look. But
like 5, I think.
Why do I see the sticker everywhere?
Check out Texas. Some dude from like Texas, Jet Davis. It's only that bottle though.
Yeah, this thing is so sweet, dude.
It's cool. I like it a lot. It drives really well too.
It looks so much different than when I saw it,
Oh,
like when
dude,
it was
it's
pink.
crazy. Yeah, when it was pink, it was way different.
Ready to bust. Bust. We're about to put in that throat work. Oh yeah.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Oh yeah.
Carve that hole.
Yeah. All right, Corey, throat work. 3, 2, 1.
Bro handed me a fighting ball. It's hot.
What the fuck? Dude, that was like a second and a half. That was like a second and a half. Holy.
Walking down like the road to their cabin, he just takes the poppet and just whips it at it, and it hits a chick in the back. Your beard is
Bedtime for the boys.
You fucking